So number 3 on the worksheet 6. R equals R, move things around. Sine is 1/2 at pi over 6, and 5 pi over 6, and I guess 13 pi over 6, because I'm adding 2 pi, and then 17 pi over 6, 5 plus 12, 17, and so on. But basically the over 12s. So I look at my picture, and we don't usually talk in pi over 12s, but this really steep angle down here, that's got to be the pi over 12 one. 5 over 12, that's almost pi over 2. So that would be this one. After that, I can kind of just figure out my way around. What's 1/12 past pi over 2? So pi over 12, 5 pi over 12. So I need 1/12 past pi over 2. We need some fraction skills here. 1/12 plus 1/2. Let's see, this is, yeah, that one's 6/12, so 7/12. And then I need almost a pi, so that would be 11 pi over 12. And then I need a 12th past pi, so that would be 13 pi over 12. And then I need almost 3 over 2, which would be 18 over 12. So 17 over 12. And then 1/12 past that would be 19 over 12. And then 1/12 from all the way around would be 23 pi over 12. So the regular pre-cal gets you some of the answers, but looking at the picture helps you get the rest of them. So those are kind of tricky. What was the other one? 5? I wonder if it's the same kind of thing. Because anytime you got a circle, you got to really use the picture to help find the missing ones. All right. Well, this looks like it will have 8 answers as well. Thank you. So 4 sine 4 theta equals 4. So sine of 4 theta is 1. Let's see, sine equals 1. Thank you. Sine equals 1 at pi over 2. So that means 4 theta needs to be pi over 2. And then if I added 2 pi to that, that would be 5 pi over 2. And let's see, 9 pi over 2, and so on. Then if I divide everybody by 4, I would get 8. And so that first answer is, pi over 8. Now, using the symmetry, I think the next one is pi over 8 away from pi over 2, which is, let's see, 4 pi over 8. So this must be 3 pi over 8. And then pi over 8 past that would be 5 pi over 8. And then pi over 8 shy of 1 pi would be 7 pi over 8. And then pi over 8 past pi would be 9 pi over 8. And then almost 3/2 would be, let's see, 12/8 would be 3/2, so 11 pi over 8. Or I guess I could pay attention and realize all my answers are 2 pi over 8 apart. 3, 4, 5, 6, 13 pi over 8, and 15 pi over 8. So it's a combination of equation work, but also picture work to get all of the answers. If all you do is equations, you will get some of the answers, but you might not get all of the answers.
Can you do number 8?
Yes. Yeah, that's the other one we need to do. Where the graph is at the origin. Well, the origin is where r equals 0. So as long as I remember that, now it turned into just like all the other problems. 0 equals theta cosine theta. Well, that looks different than the others, but if I have two things multiplied together to be 0, then either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0. So theta equals 0, there's one of my answers. Let's see, cosine is 0 at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So 3 answers to that one.